Hello again. In this video, we're gonna continue with functions part 3 and introduce you to closures, okay? Because both of them are the same, okay? So let's see our example. So we have a function called sum function and nothing in the parameter, and it returns nothing. So basically, this function is actually look like this. All right. So it returns void, and void is reserved keyword in a Swift compiler, and it means you are returning nothing. So if you copy this one and you type it here and return nothing, the code will be run as expected. But Swift decided to remove this one and remove this one and keep your code clean. Okay? So this one is for void. Okay? Let's see our next example. So the other function is actually look like this, but without A and B. Okay? It looks like this because it's returning integer, and yeah, okay, let's comment this one. Let's see how we can use, so before we jump in, this one is called function type, okay, and also known as closures. And closures are self-contained blocks of functionality that can be passed around and used in your code. Closures can capture and store references to any constant and variable from the context in which they are defined. So let's see how we can have a closure. If we copy this one and place it in here, and we add let to declare a constant, we will have a constant named nothing of type nothing and empty curly brackets. So if we decided to call nothing, we can just call it as we used to call function. Okay, it sounds really interesting, okay? Because when we need to call the other closure, we can do add to end, open parentheses, and it will ask to have 2 and 3, okay? And this one will return the first and second after addition. Let's run and we will get 5. But for the first one, we got nothing because it returns nothing. Okay? I usually do this when I need to tell the app that at some point I'm done. I'm done with these tasks, and you can continue. Okay? Let me show you what I mean. So if we have a function that we need to download image from the server, okay? Now, if download image will do this and that and this and that, you never know when the image will be available for you, because the code, after you call download image, it will execute immediately and will not notify you when the image is available. So when you need to call download, image, and you are expecting, for example, the image, okay, as integer, as a string, sorry. So return string. So here we will get the URL of image. It's just an example, okay, but the in real life scenario it won't happen, but I want to explain something for you. Okay, so download image. You never know when the image will be available, when because in some cases, in many cases, because the internet will be slow or fast, so it won't happen immediately. It won't be faster than the CPU, okay? So in that case, you can use closure. So closure is something like this, okay? And instead of returning, you can call nothing, and it will be in like this one, okay? So in this case, when you call download image function will be called. It will download the image, and after the image is available, it will call nothing, and nothing will pass in to here, and you will get what you need, okay? So hello world, okay? So let's run, and we will get hello world, okay? So if you are waiting your image as a string, okay, you will get your image, okay? So we will have to pass hello. We don't need this anymore. Let's run again, and we will get hello, okay? And this strategy is called asynchronous task, but this one is called synchronous task. It will finish immediately and give you the value, but asynchronous, it will take some time, and then after it is available, it will tell you, it will notify you when it is ready, so you will get it after some time, okay? Not immediately, but when it is available, okay? So that's for function type and closure. It's very simple, very easy. You will see this in many places in the API. So right now, I think you know what it means, how to have one, how to write one, how to use that one, what are the cases that would be perfect to use, and so on, okay? I think that's it for closures. It's very easy, and yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time.